Everybody blood they hot now. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on and
Try. See shape. This baby won't kill me in this compound.
Carol, the most beautiful. Carol, the most tantalizing. Carol.
Fred, how many times have I warned you that whenever you want to call my name, you should go straight to the point? My name is either Carolina or Carol. Why are you attaching title to my name?
Carol, must you take everything serious?
Yes.
Why are you being mean on me? Well, I'm not discouraged. Because I know one day, after looking for this my job, one day, I will get the job. And I will hit it big. If I hit the jackpot, it's you that will come begging for me. You will come drilling.
No wonder you're dressed like this. You dress well and start dreaming unnecessarily. It is not only jackpot you win, it's Jack Robinson.
It's okay, never worry. That's it's a normal thing for women. They will never believe until it's clear for their eyes. But anyway, no problem. That's by the way. But it will happen by the time the jackpot comes. It will happen. But you won't believe now. But anyway, no problem. Carol, what can you say about the film acted by Madame Bosse and the co-tenant? Can we gist about it? I will assist you.
Gist about it as well. No, I'm asking you. Are we gist mates? Do you know, Fred? The only difference between you and other guys in this house is that you talk too much. Not just talking to you, gossip a lot. Why did you not just ask those women to tell you the full gist? No, you should have asked them. I should come and gist with you. As what?
Carol, this small question that I asked you, is that why you're just stylishly insulting me? No, it's not good now. But anyway, Carol, I just let me come here and ask for your help if you can. It's not that I'm begging you. I just want you to borrow me your gas. Let me just use it to warm my rice because I was, cooking and my gas just finished like that.
It's always like that. I beg, help me, please. It's finished. It is always the case. I knew there was something fishy about this meeting, but you've spilled it. Don't worry, I'm still cooking. When I'm done, I'll borrow you as always. At least God will know that I have saved you several times on earth. I've helped your life. Go. I'll give you the gas. Let me finish cooking.
Carol,
what, Fred?
I came to join you now so that we'll stay together and do.
And do what?
Stay together and do the cooking while I wait for the gas.
You always have what to say.
Everybody blood they hot, everybody eye they shine, everybody they on guard on and not in a tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your co-tenant, you go be a caretaker. The bitch can ya baby this you every day. Trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day not trouble. Every day if you no find trouble, he go find you come. Every day trouble.
Mama Ebuka, you're daring me. You are daring me. Hey, Shoti wahala ni. She be na wahala you dey look for like this so. Okay, Mumbo.
the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your co-tenant, it go be the caretaker. I wish I baby this you every day. Trouble, repeat.
Mama Bosse, why are you pushing me and my clothes? And Mama Bosse, what is the meaning of this? Why are you pushing my clothes down? Mama Bosse, shift, what is it? Why are you pushing my clothes down?
Mama Ebuka, so you have the guts to push me? Hey, Sasinyanga they sleep, trouble go wake up. Mama Ebuka, you have the guts to push me. See, I go carry you, throw away you inside gutter. I go match you. I go carry you, I go slap you, come out dirty for your eye. You the craze. You want me to enter you? I go enter you, moto. Mama Ebuka go deal with you. You know the fear face. I go show you my real face, so I then talk to you. Mama Ebuka, you don't wash day for yesterday. You don't wash yesterday. Answer me. You they look me like person when they come up for water. This rope na your own. You. This rope na your own.
President wife.
This rope na your own. And they ask you. They write your name put for this rope. They write your name give here. Waiting be your wahala. Waiting be your own. I go show you my real face, so not be only you they live for this compound. They write your name put here. Your name there for this rope. They write made by Mama Ebuka. I be made for you. Now you get this rope.
Mama Bosse, let me ask you one question. How does my washing clothes every day concerns you and your life? Have you gone nuts?
You they ask me, I go show you say, it concern me, Mama Ebuka. It concern me, you they crazy. How dare you?
How dare you?
How dare you? I go deal with you. I go deal with you. Hey! I go give you I go give you what is going on here? Do you want to kill somebody?
If I slap you now, so you have the guts to fight in this compound. Hey! Hey! Come on, stop that one. Hey! Carol! Oh yeah, emergency meeting. Call everybody. Hey! Carol! Emergency meeting. Wait. Hello everybody. I said hello everyone. Well, I called this meeting today because of what happened in this compound yesterday. The fight that went on between Mama Bosse and Mama Ebuka. You know, I left an instruction in this compound that there should be no fight no matter what. No fighting no matter what. Or the parties that engaged in fighting will be punished severely. These women decided to fight. Now I want to ask you both, why did you fight? Answer me.
I'm on my own, oh. This woman, Mama Bosse, came looking for my trouble. Why you offend Manua?
I'm still talking and you both are still shouting. See, the punishment you will receive today, I swear to God who made me. The punishment I will give both of you today will shock you.
Nothing will happen. You are just a caretaker, not a landlord. Every time you be claiming landlord, do you know how much they take to build the house?
Fred, am I the one you're talking to? Because I gave you the privilege of staying with me or being my friend. That's why you can talk to me like this in public, Fred. Do you know that I can chase you and your mother out of this house? Shebi, you know that you and your mother are the poorest in this compound. I can just do 1 or 2 now. Both of you will get out of this place and you don't even have the money to rent another house if you live here. Shebi, you know, you are seeing your son, Abi.
Why all these noises? Mr. Caretaker. Why? Can I breathe a little? Since I got into this compound, it's been one self-acclaimed landlord you've been imposing on us, threatening us to give us quick notice at every given point, of which you haven't, just because you're not the landlord. So please, can we breathe?
Oga caretaker, if it is because of my wife and my mebuka,
There is no time we could do first. No time, no time.
See what will happen now. You see the punishment I'm supposed to give to these two women now. You both can go, you are free. You see, you Carol and Fred, you'll be dealt with severely in this compound.
Nothing will happen. Like just a caretaker. Every time, the landlord, and the landlord, and the landlord, and the landlord.
I'm shocked. You said?
You're just caretaker. Not every time I'm landlord.
And
caretaker, if this matter is not settled amicably, I will be forced to call the police on you, and the police will first pick you up to work in a prison.
Wait.
Look, you allow these two women to fight. Look at what she did to my wife.
Wait.
Look at
Okay, hold on there. Who are you talking to? Okay.
You.
Okay, you think you are talking to a Boy Scout now? You are talking to a Boy Scout. You don't know that you are talking to a sergeant. Complete sergeant is who you are talking to.
I have contacted DPO to deal with you.
If I arrest you myself, I swear to God who made me. If I arrest you myself, 50 billionaires from your community cannot save you.
Hey, Oga caretaker, please. This woman is my husband. What do you do?
Keep quiet down.
No problem. This woman, you go come up for this compound. Every day you go to bring problem. You go to bring problem for this compound. She said you are aggressive now. You are the one.
I never start with you.
May today be the first and the last you go call me poor again for this compound. I no poor pass you. Now I no keep person. Respect yourself, oh. I don't tell you.
Only good clothes you get and good color now. You know what?
Caretaker. I okay, have what I said.
Wait, now me you
have what I said.
Oh, guys, you should finish. Come and carry these chairs. We have no chair. Come and carry
No, give me your arrest you.
If I arrest you myself, if I mistakenly arrest you myself, the evidence that will be seen inside your room, all the way to evidence in that one.
Don't even try to threaten my husband.
Come and carry chair.
So what you're saying is that I should sit back, fold my hands, and watch that little brat that call herself a woman insult me and go scot-free. No, I can't. Never.
Mama Bose.
Baba Bose.
What I am telling you is that you are not supposed to be fighting. Not because she insults you. That is why I'm talking this. But you are not supposed to be fighting your fellow woman, Mama Bose. I have warned you severally not to be fighting your fellow women in this compound. But you will not hear. Maybe it is time I will take action against you. By the way, you heard what the caretaker said. I believe you heard. And thank God for Fred and Carol. If not for them, the caretaker would have punished you severely. The both of you and that woman.
Punish who? Me? Look at you. Instead of you supporting me, you're here blaming me for standing up for my right. What kind of a man are you? When other men would rise up, fight for their wives and defend them, you're not even man enough.
So I should stand up and fight for you when you are disgracing me in this compound, Mama Boss. Do you know what other men will do to a wife like you in their house? Do you know what they will do? See, stop fighting. Stop fighting. Look at her.
You should be able to defend me, Baba Bosse. Look at somebody that I call my husband. That should be a pillar of support to me. You are here talking nonsense. I don't blame you.
Defend the call. Defend.
Yes, you should be a defender to me.
Defendress, Lomari.
You should be very supportive. You are here talking rubbish. I beg come out here. Nonsense. See the kind of nonsense where they talk for your mouth, you know they even shame. Not man enough.
I almost see wahala. Everybody blood they hot now. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your coat and antique, I wish can be this you every day. Trouble.
Hey!
How you doing?
I'm fine, oh. How you doing?
You don't see me now.
This one where I wouldn't work out since morning, come back. If you say I don't see the work, oh?
That we know easy, I don't see any work. Oh.
Hey.
This country no easy at all.
Try.
I don't move, I can go everywhere, no luck. Not even one person to tell me I will call you back. I don't get it. I don't tire for this country.
Hey, my brother. Don't text say I don't tire. See, make her telling me something. Just trust in God. Believe in God. One day, you must make a goal. You must get this job where they look for. Trust me.
I move everywhere, looking for job. But I never get. Never even one person to say I will call you back. I never see. That is the problem.
So you mean since morning why I don't work out up and down, I don't see any job. I don't see anyone work where you say I tell me to make a comeback. How you mean now?
No easy. Make I just go inside, make I just find something where I go pay for my belly.
My brother, you need them. Well, let's tell her you need them because as you do like this, it will show for my body like this. See, as I done very, very tired. How? They'll make her tell me something. If you see the kind of thing where they ask for this company to do, they say they give me a bucket like this. Now, Bola said they're gonna give me another one. Well, let's tell them it's small thing for. Hey!
Do they ask you? That the caretaker policeman?
No, be caretaker policeman. See what's going to happen now? Just go inside, find something, chop. By the time chop finish, just come. Both of us will get better discussion. I get full packaging discussion where I will give me. Hey! See for this country, I don't talk on. This country say we don't even tire me join. Professional graduates like me. I don't graduate, I don't study everything where I don't study for this life. I dey carry where they walk up and down. I don't get any job.
Everybody blood they hot now. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana.
Try. See sheep. This baby won't kill me in this compound.
Carol, the most beautiful. Carol, the most tantalizing. Carol.
Fred, how many times have I warned you that whenever you want to call my name, you should go straight to the point? My name is either Carolina or Carol. Why are you attaching title to my name?
Carol, must you take everything serious?
Yes.
Why are you being mean on me? Well, I'm not discouraged. Because I know one day, after looking for this my job, one day, I will get the job. And I will hit it big. If I hit the jackpot, it's you that will come begging for me. You will come drilling.
No wonder you're dressed like this. You dress well and start dreaming unnecessarily. It is not only jackpot you win. It's Jack Robinson.
It's okay, never worry. That's it's a normal thing for women. They will never believe until it clear for their eyes. But anyway, no problem. That's by the way. But it will happen by the time the jackpot comes. It will happen. But you won't believe now. But anyway, no problem. Carol, what can you say about the film acted by Madame Bosse and the co-tenant? Can we gist about it? I will assist you.
Gist about it as well. No, I'm asking you. Are we gist mates? Do you know, Fred? The only difference between you and other guys in this house is that you talk too much. Not just talking to you, gossip a lot. Why did you not just ask those women to tell you the full gist? No, you should have asked them. I should come and gist with you. Ask what?
Carol, this small question that I asked you, is that why you're just stylishly insulting me? No, it's not good now. But anyway, Carol, I just say let me come here and ask for your help if you can. It's not that I'm begging you. I just want you to let me borrow me your gas. Let me just use it to warm this my rice because I was, cooking and my gas just finished like that.
It's always like that. I beg, help me, please. It's finished. It is always the case. I knew there was something fishy about this meeting, but you've spilled it. Don't worry, I'm still cooking. When I'm done, I'll borrow you as always. At least God will know that I have saved you several times on earth. I've helped your life. Oh, I'll give you the gas. Let me finish cooking. What, Fred?
I came to join you now so that we'll stay together and do
and do what? Eh?
I stay together and do the cooking while I wait for the gas.
You always have what to say.
Mebuka, you see that girl called Carol? I hate her. From that girl last with you need to see how that girl was parading herself doing younger tolo as if she's the most beautiful girl in this compound with that nonsense pot she was carrying. Hi! See, if that girl thinks she will intimidate all the women in this company, for more I'm my friend, I can never be intimidated. Mbano!
Mama Fred, let me ask you one thing. What problem do you have with Carol? As for me, that lady is just living her life.
It's okay. Living her life, you say? I don't have a problem with her. And I will never have any problem with her. But you said she's living her life. That one that is busy parading herself, seducing all the men in this compound up and down. Is that what you call a life?
Seducing, you say? What? I'm not seeing any man she is seducing in this compound.
It's Yoku. You've not seen all the man. No problem. The other day, you need to see how my son Fred, one walking, was looking at her lustfully. Hi! The thing from I almost killed my son. Hi!
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear what you just said? Your son was looking at her lustfully. Is it not your son to choose to do that? Yes, your son chose to look at her lustfully. Let me ask you one question. Is it Carol's fault that God blessed her with natural endowment?
Mebuka, I'm a man quite a Nija. I've heard you. My son is looking at her lustfully. Very soon, very soon, one thing to your husband will fall a victim. In fact, if he has not fallen already, maybe I back on
the back to sender. Men will always be men.
Okay.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you.
My son will not be men. My son will be a good son.
With God.
But
let me drop one.
Mebuka!
If you're going out,
Mebuka,
just bring a rope.
Laba! Shaba!
Tie your son here so that you don't let that show
Everybody flood the hot.
Everybody
I don't feel no one to trouble for you. Go ready for everybody not tiger. And if you not look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your
one accord. Caretaker. Deputy landlord. Welcome, sir.
Hey, one accord. See, Adam, what is it? If you want to greet me, Oga, greet me and get out of here. What is wrong with you? Can't you see I'm in a very bad mood? Nothing to worry you. Hope say this has day peaceful today.
Hey! Okay, caretaker. How this can come from your day peaceful? How this can come from your day peaceful? Since morning now, fight. Now they fight for this compound.
Fight!
Well, late, trust me.
Who and who fight?
Who are? Now, you know, that woman, Mama Ebuka and Mama Visil. Okay, you got
Mama Pose.
you are Mama Visil.
And Mama Ebuka.
To what of us now, 2 of us now fight. They say, go blow me, they give me like this, and give me
If that nonsense touch me, if that rubbish touch me, you go see where you go get yourself now.
and they try make I demonstrate the way I take give me uppercut.
So now 2 of them fight. Abi?
What of us I fight inside? If you see can fight, if you see blow, and see I want. And they try make I show me.
First man, they try to set punch. So I say, okay,
Hey!
come 90 of them.
You see can fight for this compound. And I know the kind of woman where they carry kill for this compound. Huh? Every time I fight. And then if we stay for one place, no peace for this compound.
Which kind of ticket be this? How can I use 300 to play 3.8? 20 games. Only to enter 18 cut am. Jesus. 300 to chop 3.8. This ticket tough. Oh. Hey. Out of 20 games, only to enter 18 go. 300 to chop 3.8.
Ah.
The whole 18 cut am.
200 go.
Fredo.
How you there now?
Nah, this kind of ticket where I go play today, I no understand.
What happen?
So I don't go now. Play 20 games.
You go enter.
No, 18 don't come out already. 18 don't cut them.
Don't worry, go enter. You must enter.
Amen. Oh.
Yes.
Once online, go enter.
Go enter. Hey, Kateka. You know, I wasn't around the other day. I heard about the fight between Mama Ebuka and my boss that happened in this compound. I heard it happened like a movie. How did it happen?
Don't be small fight though. Now what?
This is all you do. Sit around, gossip. Gossip like women. Look at you. One day this your mouth will be twisted one side and you have peace of mind. Continue. Town crier.
Am I gossiping with you?
Woman.
So why is she saying that we're gossiping each other?
Himself I shock. But let me ask you. Fredo, you dey gossip? True.
I don't know where she's saying that. Oh yeah. This girl is a temptation in this compound. She would have asked me to come and scrub her back.
You say? No, what did you just talk now? Repeat yourself. What did you just say? In whose compound will you do that nonsense?
Are you
No, in whose compound are you going to do that rubbish?
Are you the landlord?
Am I the landlord? Fred, what's the meaning of that?
I'm just a caretaker. Our compound.
Nah, Fred, you are biting more than you can chew. What's bringing all these ones now? Is it because they carry you joint body or what? Is it because I'm bringing you very close to myself? Why would you open this your mouth and ask me if I'm the landlord? What's all these ones now? Now because me and you, they rub shoulder. I go remove you from my side though. I go just throw away you. You know they add value.
You're bringing me close to yourself.
Because they carry you joint body. That's why they came out, they do all these ones.
Okay.
See, if I bring my power, the power vested on me in this compound as the landlord, if I use them on all of you, nobody go talk. There are things I can even do here as the deputy landlord that the original landlord cannot do. You don't know.
Okay.
Talk nonsense because me and you they here they talk plenty. That's why you go open your mouth. You are asking me, are you the landlord? Are you onto what now? Onto what?
But it's true now. Are you the landlord?
Why are you repeating this question? Do you want me to become aggressive or what? You want make I begin push you? What's all this one now? Stop this thing. What's this one now? They want you. They do like say they want you know they enter your body. What's this one now? Stop this nonsense, so. Meanwhile, take this thing. Help me check cheaper United. That's our team. Check if they can knock those boys. Sunshine a bit.
I know you are like a brother to me, and I respect you a lot.
Yes.
This constant fighting between your wife and my wife, easy. We need to do something to solve this problem.
Your wife is the issue here. You know it. It's not that my wife is not wrong. But your wife is always at fault. So, what we will do, and what I recommend we do, is that we keep talking to them. hoping that they will listen and they behave themselves.
Yes, easy. Just that. But you see the caretaker is threatening to throw all of us out of the house.
Is the caretaker the landlord? Is he the landlord that gave you the house? Why are you afraid of him?
Amy. I'm not afraid of him. But you see the way he command everybody, command this one, command that one. That is just it.
Don't mind him. That's always the way of policemen. That's the way they behave.
No.
So, we will keep talking to wives. Yes, that is my only recommendation.
Just talk. But I have been talking to Mama Bose. I talk to her in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. I talk to her. But she's just a troublesome person.
Oh, okay, what do you want to do? You want to flog them?
Me?
Flog them to believe?
No.
Stop.
No, kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Mọ̀ pé ìyàwó mi, Mama Bose, she's just that troublesome.
You know that she's troublesome. Yet you married her. Well, don't worry. That is love for you. It's love that binds two of you together. We will keep talking to them. But I have an idea of what will make them stop fighting.
Sọ fún mi, mo fẹ́ gbọ́.
Calm down.
Sọ fún mi, mo fẹ́ gbọ́. Sọ fún mi.
Calm down. Calm down. We are here. We are not running out.
Are you listening to me? Now, I want you to hold your hands, your two ears. Draw it very well. If I see you, I don't want to ever see you playing with that Ebuka in this compound. What did I say? I don't want to ever see you playing with Ebuka in this compound. Shotibo? If the mother thinks that she can hurt me and go scot-free, then she must be playing. It's not with Bukola. For this compound, I will show her. We'll remain enemies in this compound until she comes to apologize to me. Shay, you're listening to me. Now you are going to use this money. Go and buy what I asked you to buy. And if by any means, waiting I talk, if by any means I see you playing with Ebuka, whoa, you no go believe what I go do to you. Now run, take this money. Don't forget what I told you. I will deal with you and not go spare you.
Yes, okay, sir. Yes, I will come. No, it's me that is looking for the job now. No problem. Thank you, sir. I will come, sir. Thank you.
Hi. Fred.
Good man. Happy Sunday.
I wish you the same.
Are you going to church?
Of course. I just finished having my bath. I want to go and prepare. Are you coming with me? You know you're always invited.
Maybe next time. I'm waiting for caretaker because we are going to our own church.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine. You're always invited. Anytime, any day. All right. See you when I see you.
Make sure you eat to your satisfaction. As you're looking at her, make sure you look to the point where her food gets you. Because I don't have food for you in this house today. So you left everything you will do is to stare at that little prostitute.
No, Mama, how can you say that? I'm just waiting for caretaker to come so that we go to church together.
Yes, see. And I'm not going to see. Do you know how long I've been standing here looking at you? Your mate is out there looking for something to do. Looking for a job. You're busy standing admiring a woman. Listen, let me tell you, in case you don't know, I am old and weak. I am finding it difficult to pay house rent. Go and look for something to do.
Mommy has not gotten to this point now.
Yes, I know. I will wait till when you pregnant a woman, then bring her to this one room, baby. Then I know it has gotten to the point. Akwaya, who's about there? Don't go and look for a job in a lion, in a one.
Boss, see, take this money for a friend, Shotibo.
Yes, Mom.
See how you are rushing to church. Eh? You that is always quarreling, fighting with every woman in this compound. What kind of hypocrisy is this? So for me.
If you think a woman standing up to defend her right is a sin, then you had better study the Bible properly. So I shouldn't go to church, Abby? Because I was trying to correct a woman who tries to intimidate me. You know I cannot be intimidated. Hello?
But, Jackie Mbirilowe, have you studied the Bible very well? Eh?
Kenny?
That you must love your neighbor as yourself. And even the Bible also preaches to everyone that you must preach love and forgiveness. Peace and forgiveness. But in your own case, Ironla, you don't do that. Yeah, bosse. All the same, just do quick and let us go.
Stay. Come and stay now.
Be fast.
Why are you talking about being late to church? Come and teach me. Come back and study the Bible with me. See person will never even study the Bible one day. Nonsense. Abeg come out here. They tell me waiting and no pass.
Trouble, report. Every day trouble. Every day not trouble. Every day if you no find trouble, he go find you come. Every day trouble.
Are you not going to church with me?
Why will I be going to church? With you? When you are in enmity with your neighbor? Go and reconcile. Apologize to Mama Bosse. Then when you come back, we will go to church.
Okay. I will do that because you have said so. But I don't see any reason I will apologize to a woman who looked for my trouble and fought me always.
Yes, I know it is difficult. It is hard to do. But go and apologize to her. After apologizing to her, you can decide to be avoiding her so that you don't get to clash with her always.
Let me ask you something. If I apologize to her, will you go to church with me?
Yes. And then God will be happy to receive us. We will go with a clean heart, not in enmity with anybody. Yes, I will go with you. Okay. But when did you start going out of the house without your earring, your necklace, and bangle? Just give yourself bar like that.
I forgot. I'm coming. Let me go and get those things and apologize to my boss.
Go.
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood they hot. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you know want to trouble for here, you go ready for wahala.
Oga Fred, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Caretaker landlord, Musa.
Adamu, my guy.
Wow, Oga caretaker.
How you doing now?
I'm fine, Oga.
See, Adamu, you are one of the best tenants in this place.
How?
In fact, your respect is top notch. You get respect well, so you go take for this compound.
Thank you very much, Oga. But this one where both of us carry Bible like this, they go church. You will like say na church they go.
Yes, so yes, so they go church.
Now let me go live for this house.
That's why only you go there have. You know, say this one now, not to let you know, say now you go take over the caretaker work, landlord the work, and all the tenants put together.
And then we don't be wiggle boy.
Wait, Fred, what is that now? No, what type of rubbish talk is this one? Do you know that this nonsense you just said now, this thing now is against the law. This thing you just said now is very heavy. That it can even take you to 15, it's tantamount to 15 years imprisonment without parole.
What did I say?
What do you mean?
What's wrong in it?
No.
What did you say? No, you are planning to overthrow a government. You are telling another person, nobody like this, that he is going to become the caretaker of this place, and you are asking me what did you say?
Okay.
This small joke why I just do with Adamu. Now why they blow all this grammar? Oh yeah, nah, sorry.
Okay, you call am joke. You are calling it small joke because I dey play with you. That's why they call am small joke. No, until you see the result now you go know.
Hey. What is going on?
Adamu,
Caretaker.
take care of everywhere.
Caretaker make telling me something. For my village, I was once a Christian conscience before I come this place.
Continue, I'm here. No go assume any office, we go put you for trouble. My guy, let's go. Because they carry the talk anyhow. Waiting be now, we come the quarrel here.
I bet you first.
But they carry the talk.
You there go first.
They do anyhow. What do you mean by take over the place? Government will just shoot you aside.
What is the hot?
No, why now? Put me for prayer.
No problem.
Wait, this one where Oga Freddy then they carry Bible they go church. Will I say God, he done the answer in prayer with that too? No problem. Make you put me for prayer. Say that God go bless me. I go plenty money for this business. Oh, you can take another shot.
Carol, the irreplaceable Carol, tantalizing Carol.
Hey, Fred, it's okay. Is it that you put a chip in this my house to monitor me when I want to eat? You just appear from nowhere every time.
No, it's not like that. You know, I monitored in the morning when you went to the church, and I also saw you coming back to the church. Yes.
So you're now a monitoring spirit. That's all you do in this compound. Monitor my movements, right?
Carol, it's not like that. You know, Carol, I thought you would have insisted that I follow you to your own church. But you did not.
Well, you insisted that you wanted to follow the caretaker, so why should I insist on you following me to my own church?
You see, I want to go to your own church because that church I'm going, every time they preach money, prosperity. But I need a church where they preach salvation, forgiveness, good relationship, giving, helping people, sharing. And I know your church, that's what they stand for.
Look at yourself. Don't you think the preaching you're getting is very, very important to you? Prosperity. That is what your life needs right now. Money. Why do you want to jump from prosperity to salvation when you've not had what you're supposed to have?
It doesn't matter, Carol. So I'm here for good neighbor relationship. For us to, stay together, relate, interact as neighbor. Or you don't want it like that? Fred,
I was eating when you came. So if you're done, leave.
Today is Sunday now. You have to be in a good mood now. You have to be in a happy mood. You just come back from church. You know how you do these things now.
I should have known. Right from when you walked into this room, I should have known you came to beg. Beggy. That is all you do. Beg for food, but I should let you know that nothing for you today. You will not eat. Even a grain of rice, I will not give it to you.
Just tamper justice with mercy. Are you chasing me out of your house?
Yes, so. I am chasing you because today even God will know that I'm not helping you out.
It's not like that, man. This money I'm looking for. By the time I get this job, it's me and you when we enjoy it. So, you need to start now to, accept me the way I am.
Come and sit down. Let me help you. So you won't say I've not been helping you. Touch it down. Let me get your own food.
Wait. What is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No, what is the meaning of this? So you and your mother cannot afford food again. All you do is sneaking into my tenant's room one by one, begging for food.
Please leave my mother out of this matter.
I should leave your mother out of this matter. You did not even see another neighbor to sneak into his or her room. It is Karo. What is your intention? What is your major intention? What is the reason why you entered Karo's room?
Karo is just a neighbor. Is anything wrong in entering a neighbor's room to collect food?
Okay, Karo is just a neighbor. You called Karo just a neighbor. Just a neighbor. What is your intention of entering a single girl's room? What is your motive? It is like you are moving overboard. I will draw you back. You are moving overboard. I will try to read the rules and regulations of this compound for you again. See, you will leave me with no choice than to sack you. I will move you and your mother out of this compound. The play is getting too much. Oh, no problem.
I don't understand. Now food I go collect. So what else?
Now food you go come here and still they talk. Now food you go collect. You and your mother cannot cook. You cannot buy food. Now food you go collect. They enter girl room. Now food you go collect.
I don't like the way you harass people in this compound. And I don't like you announcing to everybody that I want to collect food from the neighbors.
Wait, what did you just call me? Caretaker. Let me ask you, Fred, have you ever seen the landlord of this house? Do you have connection to the landlord? Am I the only person you know? Instead of you to respect me and recognize me as your landlord, you are insulting me, calling me ordinary. No problem. Come. What type of food is this? Rice? Now rice with that.
I don't know, na food.
Irish potato, na beans. Let's see. Can we see? Jesus. Well, come. Wait till you work for Carolina where they give you one lap of chicken. Huh?
Caretaker, I want to go inside, make I chop my food.
Your mama dey?
You know they. Okay,
I go like pay you small visit. Make I dey with you small.
Well, I hope so, not be because of this food they come.
You get the sec? Are you a car dealer? You the second?
Because the food don't finish already as I go now.
I go rush you.
I will not talk.
No. Hold on, my guy. Wait. Who they come? Hey, okay. Who they? Where did they run to? Come.
I'm hungry. Somebody should come and give me food today and I send you.
Everybody stay on that.
Someone said, come and give me food. I'm hungry today and I send you. My belly, they're telling me.
And if you know look for trouble, the trouble
will
come. If you
know look for trouble, I'm hungry, but they told me that they told me that they told me that they
Why are you disturbing the peace of the neighbors?
Oga Fred, na hungry, na they disturb me, and they cause the problem. Oga Fred, I'm hungry. I want to make somebody come give me rest, make a shop.
You hungry?
Well, since morning I never stop. I don't myself now, so my eyes can't. They told me like this. They told me like this. They told me like well. They follow me. They turn too. What of them? You just told me that's why I say make a neck. Come. If you
come. So now why you be man they disturb my compound? You this house man. Huh?
Oga na hungry na they cause me problem for. Well, I tell I don't myself like this. Now I'm hungry. Can they turn my eyes? They down my eyes. They turn my eyes like this. I say make a come. Make I know if anybody will give me food. Make a chop. Today I Sunday. Next today I Sunday. That's why they wait. When somebody come give me food, make a chop.
See, let me tell you. The next time you will try this nonsense, you will find yourself inside cell direct. Think I'm joking with you? Okay, no problem.
See your life? You see your life? Everybody's not coming out now because you're disturbing them. Karo, don't mind him, man. You can go back and rest. Enjoy yourself inside. You stop this nonsense.
Yes, Oga Fred, I never try him again. Now the first time or last time with this one. Hungry, stop they disturb me.
It's okay. So carry your plate to me, caretaker. Make you give
You say what?
Sister Salaka.
You say what? To God who made me, if you meet me, you meet yourself inside cell. Just come close to me now, then go close the cell on you. Idiot.
Ah, Adamu. Why are you disturbing our peace in this compound?
You know, say today na Sunday, and every Sunday, everywhere they cook rice. So I say, make a neck for come and if anybody will cook rice, make it give me food, make a chop. Hungry the way, don't show me shake up once a while later.
Oya, come, let me go and give you food so that you stop disturbing us.
Madam, well, let God go bless me. Now only you never really better fake person waiting for this compound. You God go bless me.
Oh, collect the food first before you remember. I don't know whether the food is still in bed.
Leave her. Once your house rent is expired, at that time you will not have.
Oh, because you God go bless me.
Give me your plate.
Let your house rent expire. You will know.
You God go bless this woman for this compound. Nobody go try am with me.
What in the name of Beyonce did I find myself in this messy environment for? You.
Where is?
See wahala. Everybody blood the hot. Everybody eye the shine.
Caroline.
Everybody they on guard on.
Caroline, Caro.
No one to trouble for ya. You go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na. And if you know no trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your coat and auntie, go be a take. I wish I baby this you every day.
Is it true that you had the guts, you had the effrontery, the temerity, the mind to kill chicken in this compound today?
Oh, chicken. Of course I did, Mr. Ketaka. I actually killed a very healthy and lively chicken. Yes, I did.
You had the guts to kill a very nice and lively chicken.
Yeah.
Have you paid your lively house rent?
Have
you said have you cleared your lively house rent that has been waiting for you since?
Mr. Ketaka, I'm still in the process of,
Okay, I understand. You are still in the process of paying your house rent.
Exactly.
And you had the effrontery to process a full chicken. Even had the guts to share some to your beloved neighbors. You see I have seen how wicked you are. Without my approval, you killed the chicken without my approval, knowing that you are owing your rent for some months. Just use your mouth to select how you want your quit notice. How many pages you want me to write it?
Mr. Ketaka.
Because you must live here.
I am actually on a weight loss program. So I read somewhere that you need to eat healthy, like white meat. So I decided to,
kill chicken.
Yeah, make do.
With 3 penta of rice. Because you are looking for weight loss, Abby. Okay, I'm coming. Let me go and read your quit notice now. Can you give me my own weight loss? Let me lose weight while writing your own quit notice. Just wait for me, I'm coming. Let me go and write down your problem.
That's it. Don't worry. I just need to lose the shit somewhere.
You're mad, yeah. You're mad, yeah.
Caretaker, our caretaker, we're strong past the landlord.
How can they make in a compound now? I can't believe that you, of all people, went and apologized to that woman. When you know too that she was one who looked for a trouble first. If it is me, Mom Kwekwa, I will never try it. No, it will not happen.
My dear, it is all for peace to reign. And for me not to disrespect my husband. I wouldn't have stooped so low to that level. Ne, Muanka, Mebuka, a whole me. I have suffered.
My dear, I understand for peace to reign according to you. But if for that woman, you see that woman, she's troublesome. In fact, her nickname is www.trouble.com. Oh, you see, since it is like this, you have to avoid her completely. Avoid that woman.
Okay,
Our caretaker, he's an officer of the law. He dey run the yard like say na military mission. Our caretaker. Every offense you get in
We sing a love song in our dreams. Meditation.
So if they open receipt, the thing never ready. Oh. The thing no dey now.
Be acceptable in the sight. Oh Lord. Mama Fred, see your receipt. Only I beg. I want to even ask you, why is it that anytime I come to this your door to ask you for your house rent, you always tell me that you don't have shishi? What is the problem?
Oga caretaker, you know say since 8 years my husband died, I no get any strong thing what they do. I don't have any business I am doing. Even my son Fred, wey be your friend, don dey waka for job. You don waka, yet you never see work. You say I no wan pay.
Please let me ask you, madam, how many months are you owing now?
Just 6 months.
You said? Hello, please come back. What did you say?
I will pay.
Wait, 6 months for person house, now they call just. No, you are calling 6 months rent, just 6 months. Please, can I have it, since it's just? No, you just have to pay now. Since 6 months in another person's house is just. Madam, let me tell you. You see, this establishment is somebody's business. The landlord is from this rent, you know how much? The owner of this house has to eat. So you need to pay. Don't be telling me you even have pride. Say it's just, it's not just 6 months. Can you listen to yourself?
Our caretaker, please, give me some time. I promise you, before the end of next month, I swear, I will pay complete.
Same thing you said last month. If swear keys, madam, don't forget when you died, we would have forgotten about you years back. Because every day, I swear to God, I swear with my life. What's wrong with you? No, what is wrong with you? Anyway, I would have done something about this thing you just said now because of your son, who used to be my friend. But as you can see, he has started insulting me. Your son is now calling me ordinary caretaker. So, you have to pay the ordinary house rent.
Oga caretaker, you know my son Fred, he didn't take it to heart. Maybe he just said it, carelessly. But trust me, I must surely warn him as soon as he returns. If dragging his ears like this, I will do it. I am sorry. Sorry about that. Please, sorry about that.
Anyway, I'm afraid, how you take?
Fine.
There is something I want to suggest to you. It's not like I'm putting it to you. Don't go and get me wrong. I say this is what I said. I'm just trying to suggest it to you. You know, you are still very young and energetic. It's true that your husband has died for some time now. But you are still very young. You are even younger than you think. Is it this your house rent that is stressing you? I can suppress it. That is, if you can accept what I'm trying to let you, if you can cooperate with me.
Oga caretaker, no verse. I don't understand.
Are you having issues with understanding? Understanding things? See the way you are now, you are still very young. You still have blood running through your vein. It is not water that is running through your vein. If you can come with me, me and you will have some secret connection, secret affair, secret relationship. Like, your house rent will go down. Before you know it, this your house rent will be forgotten. You will not even think about paying again. You will live here like a freelance tenant.
Caretaker, please. Ever since I lost my husband, till now, I don't think I have interest in that. I'm not thinking towards that direction.
No, you have to think towards it. You have to. Let me tell you, see as you are, everything can still come back to brand new. Even generator will spoil, will not engine.
If you lose the engine, change and piston and rings, you go hear ta 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 ta. It don't start. Titi Oberoye now, it don't start. I will renew everything in you. Gain a chap walk. I'm telling you.
I beg you, caretaker, please. I don't think that will be possible. You no go work.
Is it?
I no want.
You know what?
Yes.
Okay, the landlord of this house go want to renovate the house. Since you don't want, this house go enter renovation. The roof itself go. This roof go come out to go put the roof. These windows, doors, everything go put a mamako. In fact, you go dey sleep like this, then go dey come out nail from your zinc. Maybe you don't want. No problem. You go know how far. You know how far. Since you don't know what they go on. So let me be heading home now.
Oga caretaker. I beg. Give me next weekend. Between now and next week, I could pay.
You go pay?
I could pay.
Okay, you open my say.
From now till next week.
You go pay. The first option, they're very easy. You don't need to go borrow money or go ask for money or go work for money. That one freestyle. 30 minutes, 25, 40, depending on the mood. Your house rent, don't go half. I know why I'm telling you this. So think about it. Pia now. Wow. Oh man, don't rest. So take care, Take care of yourself.
Caretaker, I will think about it.
Okay. Take your time. Oh! Not the one very easy for you. Time no day.
God. Which kind of wahala be this one? Where do I get 6 months rent now to settle this man and his wahala? If I don't have money to pay, I should use my body. What kind of nonsense is that one? What do I do?
Adamu, Ugajewu. Welcome back, welcome sir.
Adamu,
you get anything where I bring for me hungry, don't do me sugar when sir.
Yóò wá náà ni lóòótọ́ ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Anything for boys.
Ọkọ àti ìyàwó. Ọkọ mi.
Ọkọ mi, ìyàwó mi.
Ọkọ àti ìyàwó.
Ìyàwó mi, pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ọ̀gá ṣeun.
Adamu. Ẹbí yẹn ló máa yọjú ẹ.
I wish you the same, sir. I wish you the same, Oga. Whatever anything for me.
I'll see you later.
See you later. I check him. Anything where you don't enter woman hand, I say you don't view. You don't see him. Adamu, no problem. We'll see you later. They enter inside, they will talk something. You know if you say Adamu, take this one.
Hey. Mama boss.
Oh, call me.
So,
you don't know me.
So you know I don't let you. You are so happy that I took you out. I bought you this, I bought you that. But Mama boss just so tough. Just let me tell you the truth. We know Kim to Benamarale. Why are you not always happy with the neighbors of this house?
How? What do you mean? Baba Bosse, Shebi, you want us to start quarreling now? Shebi, as we dey happy like this, you don't like him.
Mama Bosse.
You don't like him, Baba Bosse.
Mama Bosse, why will you accuse me that I am looking at Caro? Kilode?
But you were looking at her outside there. Now me even they remove your eyes, say, come back.
Busy Bavo!
You were lost. totally.
Ha, Ogao. Well, all the same, Mama Bosse. This my 2 eyes that God gave me. I am using them to see good things. Now, are you now wishing me that Mama Bosse, it is not like that. Do not pray for my eyes to go blind. Besides, who is Caro? That I will now be looking at her when my beautiful wife like you is still alive. Kilo de gone.
Whoa, Baba Bosse, you had better go blind though. You had better go blind. Instead of using this your eyes to be torchlighting Caro's nyash.
Hey. Mama Bosse. You are more beautiful than Caro. I know the kind of woman I went to worry to marry. How can I compare you to that Caro? Look at you. Mama Bosse, you are so beautiful. Omogeto rewa. And your family. We want to find you.
You know, if you have been treating me like this, then you know go they go.
Coming.
Carol, the beautiful Carol.
Hey, please don't. Don't you ever add beautiful to my name when it comes out from your mouth. I don't want to hear it. Look at me. Do I look like somebody can take care of? Huh?
Don't worry about that. Very soon, I can assure you that to take care of you won't be a problem for me.
Oh.
Yes.
Really? Tell me. What do you want to do?
Relax, don't be scared. You see, I'm not coming here to beg you for food. I just want to assure you that henceforth you'll be the one coming to me for food. Yes, because that's as if I'm still living in this first me I face you have. Because by that time, I will relocate.
So what are you going to do then to bring these changes?
See, don't worry about that. Just rate me. Because I'm about to hit jackpot. You understand? Because there's a job that I'm about to get interviewed. And I'm certain that I will get that job. And when I get the job, you know what that means.
So that's why you walked into my house and asked me to rate you. Is it that you and your mother doesn't have mirror in your house? Oh, sorry, my bad, I forgot. You have absolutely nothing in that your house.
Carol, see, I just need you. I just want you to confess. You know, to rate me and tell me this is how you look. Finish, I'm okay. Yeah? Just rate me.
Okay. You're okay. You can go.
Just like that.
What else?
No good luck.
Fine. Good luck.
All this your shakara that you're doing, All this your shakara that you're doing. Why I did that?
Oga Freddy. How? See Pocket John. See expensive fine like say tomorrow, no. Well, let tell you if you say the money no be fine, Bobo. Well, let tell you say the fine like say tomorrow, no. See Pocket John. Full option.
Adamu, you know say money or no money, I still be fine, Bobo.
That one is true.
I be fine, Bobo.
But this one way I don't dress, way packaging myself like this, and they go look for another work today.
Not beside dress, they look for work. But I don't find work on it. So I they go work.
You don't get that job. Now go there, thank you, Lord. Hey, God don't bless me. God answer my prayer. Well, let tell you, I'm very, very happy for me, wow. Hey.
That's why I will begin to go soon now. I'm already late to work.
No problem.
But I will surprise you because I know you are in support of me.
See,
they support me always.
I support you with all of my head.
Just wait for me when I return, okay?
Hey! Transfer! Hey! Okay, just go. You come, no problem. Straight ahead. No problem. I'm very. No problem, okay.
Security conscious.
But security conscious.
I got my eyes on you. I got my
I
eyes
got my eyes on you. Security conscious. Security conscious. I got my eyes on you. Hey! Hi, I'm very, very happy. Hi, right now, Oga Fred can take care of his family right now. Hi, I'm very, very happy for Oga Fred.
Angela,
Yes, sir.
from your qualification here, you are not best suited for this job. And you know it. It's obvious. But in this country, anything is possible.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Sure.
You and I can work it out.
Yes,
You know what I'm talking about? If you are ready to cooperate with me, the job is yours.
okay, sir. I'm ready to do it, sir.
One more thing. It's only one slot that is remaining.
Alright, sir.
The job is yours.
Hey, how did he go?
My went well. Yeah, wish you good luck.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright.
Can I go in now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Alright, good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, I forget. Let me appreciate you a little. You know, I will soon be your new madam. Just manage this for now, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Take care.
Please, I'm a first class graduate, sir. And I know I'm qualified for this job. And I think this company will need my services.
Are you done? Young man, I won't repeat myself again. The only vacancy in this company has been taken. So, you can try again some other time.
But I got a phone call this morning. And the lady that called me on phone sounded as if my application has been granted.
But it's not granted, unfortunately. See, for your information, we have a better applicant that is more suitable and experienced. So you can try again some other time.
It just...
I think I'm done with this interview. You can take your leave.
No, sir. Please, you can sit down.
I said I am done with this interview. You can leave. Take your leave.
Okay, you can sit down. Let me leave.
Elsa, I hope you're done. I hope you went well.
Oh, well done.
Sorry, are you among the ladies that just came out for interview?
Yes, I'm among them. And why do you ask?
No, me, luck didn't come on me. It didn't shine on me.
Oh,
did you put through?
Oh, of course I put through.
Oh.
Yeah, why asking?
No, just to find out if you succeeded.
Oh.
Because I didn't succeed.
Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe you try some other places now. I guess your luck will shine.
I see. Okay.
That's when you're working like you fought with 5 lions and 6 hyenas. What happened? How did the job go?
It didn't go well. Nothing happened. It didn't go well.
Fred, I have told you, keep your certificates one place. Look for a handwork, mechanic work, a barbing salon, anything to just give you money to take care of yourself and your mother. Eh? Stop carrying certificates under the sun. This sun is too hot to be walking around like this now. Eh? Imagine walking under the sun and get nothing.
Hi.
Hey, baby.
Manager. What's the problem?
Nothing, my love. Go and rest, oh, Fred. Go and rest, yeah? I'll see you later. Oh,
no, well done.
I know.
Wait, let me open the door.
That's women for you. Once they get these 2 balls on the chest, then they think they can get everything they want. That's them now. I'm tired of this country. Every day I've been moving around looking for jobs. With all my certificates, I've been searching for jobs. Before you know, one woman will just come and you will get employment. Ah, wow. You see, in this country, if you're not a beautiful woman, you don't have money, or you don't have connection, your name is sorry. Sorry, nothing for you. Because I have suffered with all my certificates.
You see, hey, Fred, wetin dey worry you? Eh? Wetin dey worry yourself? Wetin be that? Where every day you dey talk about this your work. You know the tire. Every day you are complaining of, searching for a job without getting. You know you're a very lazy man. You're a very, very lazy man. In fact, laziness must not be when you're there inside your house. You are sleeping every day. Sometimes you can be walking around like this. You are struggling, powering, but you are still lazy because of how shallow way you dey think. Your brain comes first. Do you know how many jobs I'm managing? Do you know how many jobs I get now as a man? 3 hefty jobs. Number 1, I'm a police officer. Government approved police officer. Now, number 2, I'm a caretaker, managing a multiple building house like this. Now, see my number 3 business here, which is the most important business. You see this one, this betting. This is one of the most lucrative. In fact, this is the most lucrative business amongst all these businesses I just mentioned now. You see this business, this betting business. If the grace of God locate you for this business, you feel there one day like this, use 300, you win 141 million. You feel even there like last year here, Shebi one boy used 200 naira, win 78 million. Win am straight. So no go look down on this thing. As I they do am. I don't tell you. Invest, put your time. Now you feel even be my destiny helper. You feel put money for this thing now. Make and tomorrow help me. But you are here lazy in about because you cannot reason.
I can see you don't have anything tangible to say regarding what I told you. All you talk about is your game. All this game you have been playing since. How many have you won?
Okay, how many times have I won any of the games, Abi? You that have been running around looking for work, going up and down. Man, how many jobs have you found? You don't even find one. Anybody don't employ you? E go hard, I swear to God. E go hard for you to get job to God who made me. I tell you, to find work, it's not that possible. Do anything. No, come follow me, do this thing. No, come. In fact, make me and you, they even talk too much. I'm leaving this compound there. As I come out now, make sure say you take care of everywhere. Okay. No go.
Right, take care as the caretaker.
Is that? As the waiting. As the caretaker. Make I hear that thing for your mouth. Care waiting. Talk rubbish. Make anything lost, may you know. Talk rubbish. Oga just there as a nobody. As a common tenant. They here, watch front. Make something no go lost. As you no go, they do part-time man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Beautiful, wonderful. So today is a birthday.
Fred. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You know, all of you used to dodge that. How old are you now? Everybody will say I'm +1. But we'll still ask you, my dear, how old are you?
Birthdays are something you do once in a life. You know, once in a year. So this one now that is a birthday, how are we doing it? How are we celebrating it? You know, you have to make it beautiful, memorable, you know, wonderful.
I know, right? That is why I called you too. I just want to let you know that I am about to unleash everything unleashable for this birthday. I want to celebrate it in a very big way in this compound. Make sure that there's enough food to eat, enough drink, enough everything. So please, just enjoy yourself.
This is good news.
Yeah, you don't hear food now. Beautiful, beautiful. This is good news. Nadia, you said there'll be enough to eat and drink and cake. How do you plan to achieve that?
Well, that is why I called you again. I've kept enough money. I just want you to help me get drinks. I mean, all manner of drinks, juices, soft drinks, alcohol, assorted. Just do your man thing for me, you know. You know how men do it. Mix everything.
That's how I do.
So I'll just go get the money.
Sharp, 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 sharp. I know where they sell it.
You know you're not going to join me to buy the place. You know you are the landlord.
You said? No, hello. You said? Talk rubbish. It's today that you have seen money. And today you ask me, you know you are the landlord. You don't respect me before as the landlord. Money is involved now. And my brother, don't worry, today I'm the caretaker. To leave the landlord today, as long as money is involved, caretaker I be today. We will go buy him. Don't worry. I don't have conscience, so don't be doing all those things. Why are you begging me? See, let me tell you, Fred, you see me, it's like you don't know me well, Abi. You don't know my office. See, I am the deputy landlord of that house that we live in. In fact, I am the second in command of Ogalivi. After Ogalivi, na me. So if you are looking at me like, if I decide now that Carol will not do this birthday now, if I decide now, say, let her finish planning, then I will tell her, go and look for a location where you will do this your birthday.
I know you don't expect you that you go solo running an errand for Carol. Yes, now.
So they're there for all these things while they talk now. You know they hear them now. Another nonsense they talk. What's wrong with you now? What's wrong with you?
And also my own. What I need, I know say you are not going to spend all this money for drinks. So the only thing I need is just my own share of the money. You understand? Just my own share from the apricot. Just cut and give me. I need this money more than anyone else.
Okay, wait. You and who is doing apricot now? Okay, landlord and the tenant now. We don't two play now. You are not asking me for apricot. I'm going to buy something. You are putting your eye. You want to dip your eye inside the money. You are looking for apricot. You and who is doing that one?
Just give me this money. You know I'm looking for a job. I need this money to be running around for, hustle for job.
Fred, let's go and buy this thing finish now. Let's spend the money finish now. If something remain, I go give you now.
Something must remain. Just give me.
Don't worry this boy. See, I don't have conscience as you're looking at me. I'm a very wicked person. I just want to pity you now because I know you and your mother, Beggy wants to kill you people. Beggy, and you see as you do, you go beg all the days of your life. You will never survive. You will never ever make it.
I can never go begging.
Huh?
Just watch me. Very soon you see me.
Okay, make I keep the money now.
No, find me my own first. I'll return when I get job.
You say you will never go begging.
At all.
Oh yeah, say I beg before you take this.
This thing na money me and you. Which one I beg?
Talk
again?
I beg now.
Now just from the apricot, you say make I beg.
You go talk I beg, Abi, you no go talk.
Which I beg again?
Okay, I know we leave am.
Leave waiting. 5 minutes or something.
Take job. Don't see money now, your face don't dey change. Make I reduce something before I go mistakenly spend and finish.
You do now.
And that one they go this one.
You can't collect.
Now the missionary account it don't end. The missionary, this one no dey come out. Oh yeah, let's go.
My baby. Where? How? Bottom. Oh. Oh, bien, mama, boom.
Hi, baby.
I'm very good. I'm very, very good. I got this for you. Just hope really? Just hope you like it.
For me. Let me see. Oh my goodness, baby, this is beautiful.
I know you will like it.
I love it. Oh, all this for me?
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
This is cute, baby.
Hey.
I'm make sure that all of them.
Yes.
Oh.
What is a long woman now?
Oh, who exactly?
The one that just passed here.
Oh, please. That's how they behave. Very uncultured.
Hi.
Don't mind her. She's just envious.
So this beautiful woman,
who do you call beautiful? This one? Oh, please. Then what will you call me?
Of course, you know you are too beautiful now.
Sexy.
Of course. Hey. You know what, baby?
Yes, honey.
I want to lodge to somewhere now. So I'm going to go. And I will come back again. For the party after party.
I know. All right, baby. Take care of yourself. I'll be expecting you.
Of course I will.
Cha-cha. Hey! Shit!
Hey! This girl, you will not kill me. Come on, open this your gate now.
Okay, Freddy. I don't tend to hire boy because of food. Ordinary food. Well, I take a say it can never be better for poverty for this country. Can never be better with poverty. Hey! Because of food, you don't tend to hire boy. God forbid.
Are you stupid? You are insulting me. Is it because I'm helping Carol to prepare the food? The food you are going to eat. By the way, what are you doing here?
I can cook medicine. Said I go wash all of my belly, wash everything. Said I go chop this food, wake they cook like say tomorrow, no do. I go chop plenty. Say, don't worry, I'm coming. Nazwa.
Ha! Carol, if you allow this boy drink that thing, this boy will finish this food you're preparing here. Don't allow him to do... No, it's not funny. Don't allow him to take that medicine. If not, this boy alone will finish all this food.
Relax. No matter what he drinks, his belly will not accommodate to what he cannot accept. So relax, oh?
Okay. That means he's going to disrupt the whole place today. He's going to spoil the whole toilet. Even the compound, mess everywhere up.
Right.
If he takes that nonsense. Okay, if you say so. Okay. Yeah, boy. Got my eyes on you. Neighbors!
Come it, everybody come it.
Neighbors!
Come it, everybody come it.
Neighbor! Yeah, we are here to tell you that today is Carol's birthday, so he's inviting everybody to come and celebrate with her.
Oh, that's all right. We'll soon be there. Please give us some time.
Yes.
No problem.
Okay, if you are not coming, maybe you can also inform your husband too. He'll be interested to come. Thank you. Neighbors,
make una come it.
neighbors,
Hey.
neighbors. What is that?
Let's take a gun.
Guy, be careful with that one. If you mess it up, you clean it in the next one.
No problem.
You clean it in the next 1 month. Nonsense. Neighbors! Neighbors! Neighbors!
Oh,
What is happening?
We are here to inform you about Carol's birthday.
yes.
She's calling everybody to come and celebrate with her.
No, wow.
Birthday come. Please, I am not interested in her birthday.
The celebration we dey talk about.
Okay, if you're not interested, maybe your husband. I know he must be interested. Inform him.
My husband will not be interested. I and my family, we are not interested in her birthday. Please.
Mother is not interested. Oga Freddy, that means food go plenty for this birthday. We go chop, we go drink, we go celebrate. Leave and make we go.
Neighbors!
Yeah, please eat whatever cake, whatever drink, whatever food. Eat, I'm not interested.
Neighbors!
Which kind Carol waiting? That stupid the post girl. That stupid girl. I thought it's something that is important, something very useful. As long as it concerns Carol, I'm not interested. Please go. What is it? Carol here, Carol there. I beg female job.
So, I just want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you so much for bringing out your wonderful time to celebrate this beautiful day of mine with me. Even though I know one person isn't here, but then that's okay. Thank you so much. I know you're all very busy, but yet you brought out your time, your busy schedule.
Oh! Oh, you all now. Don't worry, I don't come again. What's that?
Sorry, pardon that. It's okay, it's fine, that's okay. We can pardon his excesses. But before we proceed, I'd love to invite our able caretaker to please lead us in our opening. Our deputy landlord.
Thank you, everybody. Remove their cap from their head. Let us commit this sumptuous event into the hands of God. I don't say stand up, I just say remove your cap.
Let's just check.
So we sit down.
It's okay, it's fine.
Our Lord's Prayer.
Our Father.
Mama Fred, it's not like I don't want to come for the party. Eh? I would want to come. Of course. You know I am a Yoruba woman. You know how much you will like party. But the thing is that I do not want to have anything to do with that girl. The same girl that wants to snatch my husband away from me. No, now.
Mama boss, jere kwanu wayo, butuo.
Fimi lejo.
Butuo. It has not gotten to this now. Listen, You and I know that Caro is a very beautiful girl. She is beautiful to the point that she cannot walk and pass here. No man will look at her. That doesn't mean that your husband and Caro have something in common. You're just overreacting. Relax. See, you will be upset when you notice or when you find out that they are having an affair. You say your husband is a man. Okay, Larry Kwanya. Okay, for
That will not concern me. Waiting I want now make she remove her eyes where my husband dey. If not, I'll go enter her woto. Wait, may I ask you? Are you trying to say that I should fold my hands and watch things go wrong before I get upset? Wait, may I ask you? If now your son, where you see, they watch, they smile with her, lusting after her, will you not get upset? Will you be happy with that? Will you be happy? Are they asking, they smile? Do they laugh?
Butuo, Uncle the over. Butuo. See my tell you. Yes, if I see my son and her, or my son looking lustfully, I will be angry, but I will not take it this far. The way they act now, can't be like say they use jealousy mixed with pepper body, carry so about that where you. And you won't make young people now come no say you dey vex, you dey jealous her.
And me?
Everybody for this compound, there for Kawo play, they do better, including your husband when they won't fight for self. Like that he be chairman of the occasion. Because because you know they do things like this. Come we could go cut cake. That cake what they do there like we will cut cake, chop better jollof rice way hot, we drink. Come make we go. No cause you don't only you. Many people don't think say na pepper body they do you.
Me I know they do pepper body. Me I know they jealous her. Me I fine, I set where now.
We know.
I be almost gay. I set where.
I see her.
My matana me she remove her eyes from my husband. And that they tell you, no make me change my mind. No make me change my mind.
You go change your mom. Come make we go. Now you are the waiter. Come. See. You see that rice there? I don't want me some. If I dare head and cut that cake, I go first for you. Stand up. The two face like come on, they marry you. Come, go cut it. Then see the tombo, everything. No, come, go cut cake first. I better leave me. Come, we do the do that.
So before we proceed, I would like to seize this opportunity to say something very important. I just want to make it clear that I, Carolina Francisca, I am not in any way in quarreling terms with anyone in this compound. In fact, I see everyone here as my neighbors and friends. Thank you.
Yes, Caroline, why, almost a lucky girl. You see what Carol just said?
Not true. Life and direct. In fact, you see, in this compound, we are all one. I don't want to see or feel anything, any form of enmity in this compound. In fact, anybody that tries it, I will use the power conferred on me as the deputy landlord of this compound and deal with that person. In fact, I will start with serving that person notice. That's first notice, first testing notice. That one testing. Then I will use quick notice to back it up. That person will just pack out of this place with immediate effect. So having said that, I think it's time we just cut the cake and forge ahead with the rice and the meat.
Excuse me. There is something very, very important where I want us. That Ella, do not be angry. They will tell Landlord and Fred, that Ella, I want to see the receipt where you take buy this cake and this drink. Because everything waiting for this place, I know it's 30,000 naira. Bring the receipt to make a see.
What is this one? Jesus Christ. Wait. What Medugli? What type of nonsense talk is that one? No, I want to know. What are you insinuating? What are you trying to call us? What's that? What Fred, can you imagine?
You're asking for receipts.
Yes, sir. One see.
Can you read it when you see it? Do you know how to do checks and balances? Do you even know how much a bottle of drink is cost?
Yes, I know. All this drink waiting for this place. I know how much they sell on my set. This particular
Yeah,
one.
this one.
This particular one. And this one where the enter person for I say if I take
What can we do? Can you can or give with a good jiggy? Now you bring the money where we take buy this thing.
Oh, Daniel. Paragaton tash, don't look me.
You one and the same thing they tell them. At the same time they tell
You
them.
know how much with this thing? You talk nonsense.
No problem. This one they enter person. I enter my eyes.
Please,
This one now, you
please,
don't name- you know
please. It's still my day. Don't ruin it for me, please.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, baby. Please, can we just leave that aside? We will check it later and cut the cake.
You can cut
Okay.
cake and take cake.
Okay, baby, it's no problem. But do.
Well, let's count 1 to 5. Count the cake.
You say? No, na race we won't run. Now, no romance we won't do. What happened to love and Jesus where other people they use cut cake? Oh, your sister, Papi also 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
My dear.
I want to teach that boy a lesson of his life that he can never forget. Look at how he was embarrassing people, talking to you in front of everybody. Talking as if he doesn't understand how manners should be. If I beat him, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his life. Next time, he will not come out and be talking anyhow, knowing fully well that somebody is there. Imagine if not that my mood wasn't okay in that meeting, I would have teach him a lesson of his life. Well, anyway, how are you feeling? Are you okay?
I'm fine.